Alright, y'all, this is part 2 of dissecting these Delta V Vforce reeds for the Banshee. Next step, shoot, we can probably just reinstall these. So you just get the fresh new ones. Take the old ones out the way. Toss those to the side. So you're gonna take it like this. Make sure I put it on the side that looks fresh. So you take it, put it in there. So the side that looks, clean cut, I put that down face first, because when you go to bolt it back in, it's gonna sit flush. So you want that in facing in. So you take it, put it in like that. Slides in that groove right there. Slides right in there. Then you get the other one. Just check it, make sure the fresh end is facing down. Let me look at it. Alright, so put it in like so. Hold up, slid out. Pain in the ass. Alright, so once you got it in there, come on. Alright, so it's in there, both sides. Then you take it, make sure it's down in there. There we go. Just try to make sure it's down in that groove. Alright, so you take it, what you can do is start to thread it back in like so. Start to thread it. Does it go on that side? Oh, goes into that side. Take it, start to thread it back in. Start with this side first. Come on. There we go. So it's starting to thread in there. So you just thread it on through. You can see it start to go through. Like that, like so. So you just thread it through. Then you start with the other side. So you grab the other one right here. You put it up on there. Like so. And this one goes through this side. Like that. Opposite side. And you start to thread it through. So I'm trying to get a good angle. So just thread it through. So it's threading through that side. Oh, come on, baby. Come on through. Alright, so it's threaded through on both sides. So you just tighten it up. Tighten it up on both sides. Then make sure it's threaded through on this side. You never want to force it in there. If it doesn't go in there smoothly, then don't try to attempt it. But yeah, I'm pretty sure you don't want to see me screw it in. Pretty boring. But yeah, so wham, that's in there, and then wham, that's in there, like that. So yeah, that's how you do the inside. That's how you reassemble the inside.